This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening the screenshot immediately so you can work on the pixels. Make sure you have edit permission in Google Photos or Gallery. Once open, tap Edit or the pencil icon to enter edit mode. This loads crop, markup, and healing tools. You do this because editing inside the native app preserves resolution and metadata. If you prefer a dedicated tool, install an image editor like Snapseed now. Once done, locate tools labeled Healing, Retouch, or Brush to begin removing the doodle. You'll use the Healing or Retouch tool next because it samples nearby pixels and blends the area naturally. Start by adjusting brush size to match the doodle line, smaller for hairlines, larger for thick marks. Then zoom to about 200% and make short, controlled strokes from the doodle's edges toward the center so the algorithm has good surrounding texture to sample. If results look odd, tap Undo and try slightly different stroke angles or a smaller brush to preserve original shading. You'll finish by comparing the edited result with the original using the before/after toggle. This confirms you didn't remove important detail. Once satisfied, export or save a copy at original resolution so you keep the unedited file. If the healing tool left artifacts, switch to clone or patch tools to sample exact texture and paint over problem areas, or use Snapseed's Heal for iterative passes. Key troubleshooting tip: if blending fails, work at higher zoom and smaller strokes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.